subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new mid-range smartphone in China as Vivo S17e, and it is the successor of the last year launched Vivo S16e smartphone. Now let's see the specifications of the Vivo S17e smartphone. The Vivo S17e features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1300 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset paired with Mali G610 MC4 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.0 storage. In terms of optics, the Vivo S17e supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear camera of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box based on Origin OS 3 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4600 mAh battery that supports 66V fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 74.9 by 7.4mm, and it weighs around 178 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo S17e has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2099 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2299 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Star Night Black, Quicksand Gold, and Sunny Blue color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from May 20th. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S17e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.